Guys, in the previous class we studied about instance block. So, so now we'll be studying about static block. So, just reviewing that. What is instance block? Instance block, which is written within the open curly brace and closed curly brace, is called. This is simple called as instance block. So, just using a static modifier before the block is said to be a static block, nothing more than that. Simple. So instance block is not having any static modifier in the modifier here, okay? So okay, but static block is having a static modifier before that. That's a simple example. So I hope you understand now, right? Some FLOT float F is equals to float F is equals to some 25.1 F, okay, and double d equals to some 35.0, okay. Okay, now just adding that, okay. Okay, F plus d. Think you got that right. So now the thing is, to understand, the thing you have to understand is that for the instance block object creation is required, okay, but for the static block, what's the process? By using the class name. So simply you could just think that there is no void or something name which we have to call here. So static blocks are executed during the class file loading, okay. Simply understand my point. Static blocks are executed during class file loading, okay. See, the answer is this 60.175. How did this came? We didn't written anything here, right? We didn't call the static method in the main method. So how this will be executed? If you call the static in the main method, so this should be executed, but we didn't call anything here. So what is the slogan of the static block is that static blocks are executed during dot class file loading, okay. So whenever you write a program, automatically there are two files created, one is .java file and one is dot class file, okay. Test.java file and test.class file. So in the example, so automatically when you compile the program, the compiler checks the dot class file and executes the dot class file. So what contains the dot class file? So static block, which is related to class, right? Static means class. Seeing here, see, static means the static method will always execute the class name. Simple logic. Static method or static constructor or static variables are related to class file. So automatically, this simple example that the static static block is executed during dot class file, okay. So simple. So there is no need to write here. Automatically the static is linked with the test, okay. Then while compiling, the dot class file will be automatically loaded and it will be printed here, okay. You can see here, you are thinking this guy is some kind of weird output, right? So we'll write something like this. See here, string s is equals to some Swati, okay. String s is equal to some Swati. So just I would like to print out the Swati, okay. S T S Y S O U T is out of simple write s here. So let us compile this one. See, the value is printed and Swati is printed without the help of main method, okay. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. The static, anything the static is linked to the dot class file. So static blocks are executed during dot class file loading. So this is the main example. So this is very important too. You have to understand this. The interviewers will be asking you what is the purpose of static, how the static blocks executed without a main method. So static blocks are executed during dot class file loading. That's a simple example, okay. We'll be talking about so I hope I have completed all those five major elements what I have discussed in the first class, right? All the variables, concepts, methods, constructors, instance blocks, and status block. So have given a rough review about all these classes. So it's not all completed, okay? I have given some rough review of this all what actually how these are going to be. So if you are good with this, so I will come with some another examples, okay? The see means how to pass the parameters, how to call the methods, and how to call the constructors. This will be discussing in the future classes. So this is not at if you are good with all these five major elements, sure you are going to have almost 60% of the knowledge in Java. So don't worry, I'll be with you. I'll be explaining. Please subscribe my videos. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.